I got something delivered today I'm very excited about. It came from a company called SimplyKoolThings, and cool is spelt with a K. I just love that. Well, this is what I got. I got a set of wooden utensils. You have got to see these utensils. Look at that. Like the wood. I love the feeling of the wood. It is a 5 utensil set. I've got a spoon. Use it for mixing. I've got a spatula. Perfect. The thickness of these are amazing. I've got these spoon, fork, salad utensils. And then my favorite thing I'm so excited to use, this slotted spoon. Look at that. I just love those holes. Well, I'm putting these to use today, and I'm going to be making something very unique. I'm going to be making Cheerios cookies, but I'm going to be doing it in an unusual way, something I learned from Emmymade's channel. I'm making Cheerios cookies utilizing hard-boiled eggs. Yes, it's true. You can make cookies with hard-boiled eggs. I've got to try it and see if it's right. And I'm excited to use my spoons. Boil those eggs. And then use that slotted spoon to get them out. Magical. Grab a bowl. Stick of softened butter. Half cup sugar. Half cup brown sugar. Quarter cup peanut butter. Splash of vanilla. Grab those hard-boiled eggs and squish them right inside. Give that a stir. 1 cup flour. Half teaspoon baking powder. Half teaspoon baking soda. Half teaspoon salt. Half a cup of oats. 1.5 cups Honey NutCheerios. 1 cup of chocolate chips. Mix that all together. Drop spoonfuls of your dough onto a baking sheet. And you bake it in an oven, 375 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. If you look at these cookies, look, right here you can see there's some egg yolk and some egg white. I am so curious how this is going to turn out. Let's find out. Let them cool on a wire rack. They're done and they look fun. Look, there's this one little bit of egg still right there. Well, let's see how they taste. Oh, yes. Wonderful. Yes! I love the crunch of the Cheerios, the chocolate, and the peanut butter. Phenomenal. Let's try that little bit of egg. You don't even notice the egg. It works. The hard-boiled egg works in this cookie. I don't know if I could have done this without those SimplyKool utensils. I love them. If you want to get yourself a set of these SimplyKool wooden utensils, check out the link in my description, and you could save 10%. Who tells the best egg jokes? Comedy hens. Thanks, SimplyKoolThings.